Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 birds name. Let's start the video. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Parrot means tota. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Duck means batak. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Ostrich means shaturmurg. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Eagle means cheel. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Peacock means more. Swan, S-W-A-N, swan. Swan means hunts. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Crow means kawwa. Owl, O-W-L, owl. Owl means ullu. Flamingo, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Flamingo means राजहंस. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और ऐसे यूज़फुल वीडियोस के लिए मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.